begin your activity for today, make sure you are in your computer class team. And you can look for the activity 10 either as a post and view the assignment, or you can click on the assignments tab and find it under there. This activity will help have you work in PowerPoint using copy and paste between slides to build a turkey. Once your turkey is built, then you can write a few sentences telling me about your turkey. So you will click on the Build a Turkey PowerPoint linked to your assignment. And the file will open up in PowerPoint inside of Teams. Just be patient as this may take a minute to get everything loaded. And you will know that you're in the right spot if you see this Build a Turkey slide on your screen. So the left half of the screen will show the different slides that you will skip to help build your turkey. So slide 2 has some directions for you. Slide 3 is where you will type to me about your turkey once you have it all built and put together. Slide 4 is your turkey body, which you will add pictures to. Slide 5 has the different eyes. Slide 6 has the different beaks. Slide 7 has some feathers. 8, 9, and 10 also have different feathers. Slide 11 has some different feet and legs. Slide 12 has some different things for your turkey's head. And slide 13 have the wattles and just some extras you may or may not want to include for your turkey. So when you are creating your turkey on slide 4, you're going to copy things from one slide and then paste them onto this slide. So for example, we can start with the eyes and select the turkey eyes that you like. And you can use the keyboard shortcuts to help you. So on your keyboard, on either side of your spacebar at the bottom, one's in the left corner, one's in the right corner, you have a control button. It says CTRL. Press the control button with one hand and press C with the other hand and let go. So you'll hold down control, press C with one finger and then let go. Hold control with one finger and then press C with another finger only once and then let go. When you need to paste, you'll hold down control with one hand, press V only one time with the other hand and let go. Make sure you don't hold down on the V or you will get too many pastes. You really won't see anything happen, but when you go back to your turkey slide, you're going to hold in that control button again, and this time the letter V. Just press it one time. Don't hold it in or you may get a million copies of the eyes. So there are my eyes. I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard or the mouse to click and drag my turkey's eyes where they need to be on his body. Notice these little dots in the corners and in the middle. You can use these to resize a picture. If you use one of the middle ones, though, you may distort your picture. For example, the turkey eyes are really tall and skinny now. That looks a little silly. So if you would, use a corner sizing handle, and that keeps it proportional, meaning it changes the height and the width at the same time. Again, you can use your mouse or your arrow keys. Okay. So one more time, you're going to select the picture you want to copy, hold down Control C, go back to your turkey, and Control V. Now let's say by accident you copy more than one item. All you have to do is click the item you don't want, and you can press delete on your keyboard. And I believe on the student laptops, delete is in the upper right corner. Again, if you need to resize your picture, just drag with one of the corner sizing handles. Okay. Now, this file will save periodically as you're working. So you just keep going and the computer should save it for you. Now, when we get to the feathers, this is going to be a little bit trickier because we want our turkey feathers to be behind the turkey, not in front. So I will Control C to copy, go back to my turkey, Control V to paste on top of my turkey. So that's not going to work. So here we want to use the Picture Toolbar. Notice we get a new toolbar called Picture. You will only see it if you have your picture selected or if it's clicked on. We drop down Picture and we see this one here that says Arrange. It starts with the letter A. You click on Arrange and Send to Back. We want to send the feathers behind the turkey. Now I can still move the feathers, I can still resize them, but this way they'll stay behind the turkey's body so they look like they're on his butt. So you want to go through and finish any of your pieces. You want to add some legs. We can Control C and Control V. And with the legs, you may also want to send them behind. It's up to you. I'm going to go to Picture, Arrange, Send to Back. And if you would like to add any accessories to your turkey, because remember, you have to tell me about your turkey. You might want to tell me what your turkey's wearing. You might want to tell me what your turkey likes to do. You might want to give your turkey a name and let me know that. So you can decorate the turkey any way that you would like. I think I'm going to give my turkey a pet dog. So I'm going to put that on my paper as well. And you can resize like that. Oh, I think I forgot to give my turkey some hair. I'm going to have to give my turkey some hair. So I Control C and then Control V. So I'm going to resize my hair for my turkey. And then I want to move the crown actually to the front. Getting a little tricky here. I'm going to bring the crown to the front, and then that way it'll look like it's kind of on top of the hair. So there, I'm finished with building my turkey. Now I'm going to tell you about my turkey. So type at least 2 sentences that tell me about your turkey. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation. Put 1 space between your words and after a period. You can describe what your turkey looks like, give it a name, tell me what your turkey likes to do, etc. So I'm going to click in this box 2 times, and then I should be able to type to you about my turkey. Turkey's name is Tula. She has a pet dog named Twyla. She likes to blend in with peacocks, so she doesn't get eaten for Thanksgiving. Then, when you're all finished, remember that the file will save automatically for you. So you will click this close button, and then when you get back to Teams, you will click Turn In. And that is how you build a turkey in PowerPoint.